Okay, I'm going to try to finish this real quickly because I don't have very much time left to go. So I'm going to get some more of this yellow and I'm going to paint these stamens in. It's not yellow enough. Sorry. I'm painting these stamens. You can't really see them, I know, but they're there. And I'm sorry that this is in 2 videos, but apparently I went a little too long, ran out of room on my camera. So now I need to put the final color in, and it's this brown. I wiped off extra water, that's what I did. I had too much water on my brush. And I'm just gonna put these on here, on the ends of these. Oh, I wanted it fuzzy, but not quite that fuzzy. I'm feeling the pressure of time, so I'm probably making mistakes. And there isn't one here. It's actually white at the end, but I'm gonna make it because you can't really see it. And since I have brown on my brush, I'm gonna make the little things brown. And I'm just going to just kind of dot around. Not real. And keep in mind that the doily looks like a flower, like different types of flowers. By the way, my grandmother made this doily. My grandmother used to crochet all the time. I decided to put an edge on that flower and it came out too big. And when you make a mistake like that, you just get some water on your brush and put it on there and it'll come off. If I had more time, I would do it right, but I'm just going to paint over it. You can still kind of see it, but not really. I have the paintbrush a little wet, I guess. It's not giving me what I really want. What's nice is that after I finish this here, if I don't like the way it looks when it dries, all I have to do is paint over it and do something different. More leaves or who knows what. The problem is with doilies is that they're so delicate and it's kind of hard to get that delicate look. And the distance down on the table in the right perspective, especially since I'm doing it on the fly and feeling pressured. So I may not like it. I may end up going back and painting over it. I'm a very detail-oriented painter. I like detail in my paintings. So if the detail is not correct, a lot of times I'll work on it over and over again, and it is a really big failing for me because, sorry I jiggled the camera. It's a really big failing for me because I don't like the brown. I'm going to go over it with some green. See if that's better. In reality, it's kind of a greenish black behind it, I think. This is on a coffee table that has a brown wood, and the wood, there's a second shelf, and this is on the top glass shelf, so you can see the second shelf. And that's kind of what we're looking at here. So okay, don't like this at all. And now I'm just painting things. And sometimes that's what you need to do, okay? This one's better than this one because I had that wet. But I kind of like this greenish, brownish look back here. And it has nothing to do with the real picture, but I'm liking it. So go with what your gut tells you. It doesn't have to look exactly like the painting. Make sure that you are painting for you and not for someone else, especially when you're first starting. And I give away quite a few of my paintings. I've sold some, and I like selling my paintings. That's nice, but I paint for me. Now, see, I really like the way this. Oops, sorry. I really like the way that's looking there, so I'm gonna go in and try to recreate it here. That makes these flowers really pop off, and I'm never gonna be able to get that look of that doily without spending long time planning and painting it, and that's okay. You know that I don't want to do it. You don't have to worry about what other people think. You don't have to worry about your design aesthetic is what is the important design aesthetic, not mine, not your mother's, not your father's, not your siblings, not your friends. If you like it, that's all that matters. And pretty soon, when you have confidence, then what you paint will be attractive to other people as well, but never to everyone. It's never going to be to everyone. Even some of the more famous artists that there have been sold plenty of work. There's people that don't like their paintings. So don't think that, you know, if so-and-so doesn't like your painting, that it's not any good. Doesn't matter. Because there's that's why there's different artists. That's why there's different styles. Everybody's tastes are different, thankfully. God, wouldn't it be awful if we all liked the same thing? That would be terrible. So now I'm just cleaning up these white edges, just giving them, especially down here where I did this brown, I want them to have a sharper edge to them than what they have. And there's my painting. I hope you like it. Thank you for being with me. Bye.